welcome back to DIY. Back to complete this path. Got a friend coming, got the buddy coming, got the whacker packer plate. So we've actually gone away from the concrete idea. We're gonna lay a sand base, we're gonna compact that in. Then we're gonna lay our bricks on top, pave lock it, fill the dirt back in, get rid of all this excess rubble. So I'm just gonna hyperlapse it and do a voiceover on the top, and hopefully you can watch this piece come together. And we're still gonna go with the herringbone. So let's get into it. Right, few issues getting some footage. Phone got a little bit hot in the sun in its case and didn't like it. So there's a few bits and pieces of footage which is good. But anyway, so where we're at so far, we got a layer of road base in just to raise the height. We got a layer of sand over the top, set our brick height along this edge and back to the house. The fall should match this driveway and match the stairs there. And this is the pattern. So tomorrow we're gonna get all our cuts, cut the brickwork to fill it in, tap it in, get some pave lock in, and yeah, see how it comes up. We'll see you tomorrow.
Let's go! Yeah, so this is a whacker plate. Vibrating plate. Once you start it, little petrol motor on top. Helps compact the sand in. Didn't get any footage of it yesterday, so I'm going to take it back this morning.
Alright, let's have a chat of where we're at and how we got here. So this is ready to be pave locked, and pave lock is a sand and glue formula that will spread between the bricks. We'll brush it in with the broom and then we'll wet the pave lock and then that sets hard. So we'll be able to get that in shortly, but let's have a little recap of how we've got to this point. Concrete path was removed, dug it out, removed all the broken tile and some soil, put a layer of road base in, put a layer of sand in, used a compacting machine, compacted the sand in, worked out our heights, where our bricks were going to sit, played our bricks in, and here we are. Now the thing with this pattern is there's a lot of cuts. There's a lot of edge cuts, there's a lot of small brick cuts. So what we ended up doing was hiring a wet table saw. I'll put a photo of that below because I didn't film anything of it, to do our cuts, and it made our life a lot easier. There's a lot of tools out there that you don't know about that can definitely make your life a lot easier. But anyway, for the minute, I'm gonna get some pave lock swept in, watered in, and we'll check out the final product. And that's a wrap for the brick path. So quick recap, original concrete path removed. We then dug it out, put road base in, put sand in, compacted sand, picked our herringbone pattern, laid our bricks in. Had to do a lot of cuts for the edge of the herringbone pattern, but that's okay. Haunched the front edge, pave locked it in. So I'll continue to pave lock this over the next couple of days because bits and pieces will move, that's natural. But here's our total cost for this project, including equipment hire. And look, we hired equipment and made our life easier. That's what it's there for. So thank you for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. And the question is, what's your next project? We'll see you on the next one.